Hey guys, most airdrop are waste of time, but not this one. Moss is giving a $500 for free and nobody is talking about it. Welcome back to my channel where we turn time into wealth. I'm Raj. I'm going to show you the quickest way to claim it step by step, so don't miss any part of the video. Let's farm while others are sleeping. I'll leave all the links in my Telegram channel, and my Telegram channel link is in the description box. Click on the link, join my Telegram channel where you'll find all types of airdrop update, crypto signals and everything for free. When you click on the link, you will be redirected to this type of page. After that, click on download for Chrome, then add this extension to your desired browser. You can use it on any other browser. If you are in phone, you can use QE browser where you can do the same task. Just go to extension from the store and you will get this extension. After that, open this extension, come to this website and open this extension. Click on continue with Twitter. After that, it will be redirected to this type of page. Just you need to authorize your Twitter account with the extension. Just I authorize my Twitter account. After that, paste an invite code. I will leave my invite code in my Telegram channel. Just paste it. If you use my referral code, you will get extra bonus during mining and also extra points. I'll leave my code there. Before going to the code, just click on connect. After pasting the code, just click on connect and you will be redirected to this type of page. Here you can chat. It's an AI agent, so you can do this. Open. From here, you can use it as an AI agent. You can write AI mails from here if you click on any other. Similar like ChatGPT, they are using LLM models to do this. You can do your sum. You can also create what is trending on Twitter. You can also know that which projects are being trending now. You can also, it will filter out your Twitter. If you click on Twitter, you can understand it. If I go to home, here you will get an option of which are trending on Twitter based on your results, based on your likings or favorite things. You can see that what is the market, bearish or bullish market sentiment. Everything you will get here. You can also use AI post to make post. It is very useful for your Twitter. If you are a Twitter guy, then you can do this. After return to this type of page, here you can use whom you are follow. You can track your followings and followers. You can tweet. It will boost your tweets. You will get badge. Just click on this badges option and you will be redirected to this type of page. After that, click on early access badge. Just claim it. Here is a referral badge. If you invite at least five people to this, to this website and use your referral code, you will get a referral badge. You can do this. You can also join the Telegram channel where you will get all type of updates. You can join the Telegram community. Again, if I come to this website, you will get all type of information here. If you click here, you will get your invitation code. Copy this invitation code. I will leave in my Telegram channel. Just copy this and paste it here and click on confirm and you will get extra points. If you scroll down to this website, you will see their features. What is trending on Twitter, daily summary of crypto. You can use their AI post so that they can create a smarter tweet. AI mail, you can use it in during writing mail, training, everything you will get using this AI agent. They have recently launched their AI agent. Use this and you will earn points, and later this point will be converted into real tokens. It's a potential airdrop, not a confirmed airdrop, but it has a huge potential since it is an AI agent and it is very much helpful AI agent. It has some kind of, it's not like any other AI agent which is useless, but it is a useful AI agent. They are building their community slowly. If you go through their Twitter handle, you can see this. It's in the very early stage, but still they are working and they are working good. Here you can see their AI agent is good enough. I have tested their AI agent multiple times. They give me a good amount of information. Here you can see that you can get conclusion of any type of page. You can follow them on Twitter. I simply follow them on Twitter. You can also ask Q&A, explain about any type of page, which is pretty much helpful. This is for today. I hope that you have found the video very informative. If you like the video, just click on like, and if you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel and also join my Telegram channel where I will share crypto signals, airdrop signals, future signals, meme coin signals for free. I will give you the best signal in the whole market at free, at a zero cost. So join my Telegram channel. I'm Raj, signing off.